You've probably seen it everywhere online. People swearing by chia seeds for weight loss, smoothies, puddings, and overnight oats. Chia this, chia that, chia all day. But today, I'm going to turn that trend on its head. There's a seed out there that not only rivals chia but, according to many people, works 3 times better when it comes to controlling appetite, boosting energy, and supporting fat loss. And yet, hardly anyone talks about it. You might even pass it in the grocery store without realizing the difference it could make in your health routine. If you've tried chia seeds and didn't see the results you hoped for, keep watching. This seed might just be the game changer you've been missing. And no, this isn't some rare, exotic superfood from a remote mountain in Peru. It's simple, earthy, and has been used for centuries. Only recently, thanks to new research, is it making a comeback. So, why did I start exploring this seed in the first place? I was talking to a nutritionist friend and asked her, if there was one food you could add to your diet to manage cravings and weight without feeling deprived, what would it be? Instead of listing chia, flax, hemp, or other well-known options, she immediately named one seed. She explained that her clients, especially those struggling with late-night cravings or constant hunger, often notice a huge difference after incorporating it into meals. Naturally, I had to test it myself, and my experience surprised me more than I expected. Alright, enough suspense. The seed we're talking about is flax seed, also called linseed. Now, before you dismiss it with a flax seed, really? Hear me out. The way flax seed interacts with your body is very different from chia seeds. That difference can have a powerful effect on how full you feel, your energy levels throughout the day, and your ability to avoid overeating. Plus, flax seed has been studied extensively, with decades of research backing its benefits. We're talking about fiber, plant-based omega-3s, lignans, minerals, and a nutrient profile that's hard to find elsewhere. The first thing that makes flax seed a standout is its fiber. Not just any fiber, but a unique mix of soluble and insoluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in your digestive system. This gel slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and helps curb cravings. That classic "I'm starving now, then crash later" cycle disappears. You stay satisfied longer, snack less, and your body uses energy more efficiently. Chia seeds do something similar, but flax tends to create a thicker, more stabilizing gel, keeping you fuller faster and longer. That's where the idea of 3 times faster comes from, not because it burns fat, but because it makes overeating naturally harder. Next up is flax seeds' omega-3 content. While chia also has omega-3s, flax seeds are among the richest plant-based sources on the planet. These healthy fats support metabolism, reduce inflammation, and balance hormones. And let's be real, hormones control a lot in weight management. When your hormones are balanced, your appetite, energy, sleep, and motivation all improve. One of the most underrated benefits of flax seeds is their lignans, antioxidant compounds that support cell health, slow aging, and even help balance hormones like estrogen. This is especially useful for people experiencing menopause, PCOS, or general hormone fluctuations. When your hormones calm down, cravings often calm down too, making it easier to stick to healthy habits. Another advantage is texture. Many people dislike chia's jelly-like consistency. Flax, especially when ground, blends seamlessly into yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, soups, pancakes, or baked goods without altering taste or texture. For best absorption, always use ground flax seeds, not whole. Whole seeds can pass through your system undigested, whereas ground seeds allow your body to fully absorb fiber, omega-3s, and lignans. From personal experience, adding flax to my routine was eye-opening. I noticed I stayed full much longer after breakfast. Normally, I get mid-morning hunger pangs like clockwork. After adding a tablespoon or 2 of ground flax into my smoothie, I didn't think about food until lunch. I felt steady, not heavy or sluggish. My digestion improved, my energy stayed balanced, and I stopped craving sugary snacks in the afternoon. Once those cravings went away, everything else, meal planning, productivity, and consistency, became easier. Most experts recommend 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Start with 1, see how your body responds, and adjust. Because flax is high in fiber, drinking plenty of water is essential to prevent bloating and aid digestion. Like chia seeds, hydration is key. Flavor-wise, flaxseed has a warm, nutty taste that blends well without overpowering dishes. Chia is more neutral but gelatinous, whereas flax feels earthy and natural, which many people find more enjoyable in oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or baked goods. If you love baking healthy treats, flax is a secret weapon. It can even replace eggs, add moisture, boost fiber, and make baked goods more satisfying. Flax is also extremely affordable. Organic chia seeds can be pricey, but flaxseed is usually cheaper, sometimes half the cost, while still packing a huge nutritional punch. Now, can flax help you lose weight faster? The honest answer: it helps you improve your habits, and your habits drive weight loss. No seed, supplement, or trick burns fat automatically. But flax helps you feel full, energized, and satisfied, which naturally reduces overeating and makes healthy eating easier. People often say they see results 3 times faster than with chia because flax helps them stick to a routine effortlessly. Consistency is everything. When you feel full longer, cravings drop, and energy is stable, staying on track becomes second nature. Flax is versatile. Whether your goal is muscle building, reducing inflammation, improving gut health, or weight management, flax supports all the little habits that accumulate into big results. You can even combine chia and flax seeds for a perfect balance. Chia for hydration and gel-like texture, flax for satiety and hormone support. Another key benefit: flax can boost nutrient absorption from other foods. Its healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K more effectively. That means your salads, smoothies, soups, and roasted vegetables become even more nutritious. A quick tip: store flax in the fridge or freezer. Its natural oils can go rancid at room temperature, but keeping it cold preserves freshness, flavor, and nutrients. Ground flax can last for months in the fridge. Incorporating flax into daily meals is simple. Add a tablespoon to a smoothie, stir it into oatmeal or yogurt, bake it into pancakes or muffins, sprinkle over salads or roasted veggies, mix into soups, thicken sauces, or even stir into nut butter. It's a silent workhorse, boosting nutrition without changing taste or texture. For late-night cravings, mix a tablespoon into Greek yogurt with cinnamon. It's high in protein, fiber, and incredibly satisfying. Flax helps curb the "I need something sweet" cycle without feeling heavy. Flaxseed isn't a magic bullet, but it's a powerful tool. It makes healthy eating effortless, unlike chia seeds, which often require soaking or preparation. You can add flax to meals you already cook: oatmeal, soups, stir-fries, roasted veggies, baked goods, without altering taste or texture. Flax is heat-stable in real meals. While flaxseed oil is delicate, whole or ground flax behaves differently, blending well in cooked dishes. Add it to muffins, breads, wraps, casseroles, veggie patties, or sauces. It won't lose its benefits. This makes daily intake easy and effortless, a key reason people consistently see results. Consistency is essential. Healthy habits are built on thousands of small decisions, not one big meal or week-long detox. Flaxseed helps you make those little choices effortlessly, every day. Sprinkle it into a quick soup, stir into a salad, or mix into a smoothie. It's effortless nutrition. Flax fits every lifestyle. It's convenient, quick, reliable, and enjoyable. You don't have to change recipes or your daily routine. Unlike chia, which can turn mushy or require preparation, flax works instantly in existing meals. Add it to chili, mashed potatoes, pasta sauce, hummus, stir-fries, grain bowls, virtually any dish, and nobody will notice. Yet the nutritional boost is huge. It's especially great for families. Kids, picky eaters, or anyone resistant to healthy eating won't notice flax sneaking into their favorite meals. Its nutty, earthy undertone pairs well with comforting dishes like oatmeal, roasted veggies, grains, scrambled eggs, sauces, and soups. It makes meals more filling without making them heavier. Flax helps you stay consistent during busy weeks. When life gets chaotic, healthy habits often falter. A simple spoonful of flax in a soup or stir-fry keeps you on track without extra effort. Its fiber absorbs moisture, adds body, and makes meals feel hearty. Feeling satisfied prevents mindless snacking later. Adding flax to cooked meals doesn't feel like work, it becomes routine, just like sprinkling salt or stirring herbs. When nutrition is effortless, habits stick, and real change becomes possible. In conclusion, flaxseed is simple, versatile, affordable, and powerful. It supports satiety, digestion, hormone balance, inflammation reduction, nutrient absorption, and overall health. If chia hasn't given you the results you want, or you want a more filling, stabilizing, and effortless option, flaxseed is a must-try. Start with a tablespoon a day, gradually increase, stay hydrated, and enjoy its benefits. Over time, you'll notice cravings dropping, energy stabilizing, digestion improving, and meals becoming more satisfying. Flaxseed doesn't ask you to reinvent your life, it quietly enhances what you already do. Its heat stability makes it perfect for cooked meals, so you can incorporate it into breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks without changing your routine. And the best part? You barely notice it, but your body feels the difference. By simply adding flaxseed to meals you already enjoy, you're upgrading your nutrition, supporting your goals, and making healthy habits easier to maintain. It's subtle, simple, and highly effective. A true unsung hero of the kitchen and a secret weapon for anyone serious about satiety, energy, and long-term results.